The best-selling vehicle in the U.S. underwent a radical change, 30 years in the making. The completely redesigned 2015 Ford F-150 features a stronger yet lighter high-strength steel frame and a revolutionary high-strength military-grade aluminum alloy body and cargo box. By employing new technologies and new materials, similar to the modern aircraft you're traveling in now, the new F-150 is lighter by as much as 700 pounds.
These two elements are the ideal elements for the truck. The backbone of the truck is steel with an aluminum cab, aluminum front end, an aluminum box. This is military-grade aluminum, heat-treated and quenched in a way that gives you much stronger properties than a typical alloy.
The result is a bold new truck that's stronger, more productive, and more fuel-efficient than ever before.
Taking weight out is the right thing to do. When you need to do the work, the engine, the powertrain, the drivetrain is there to haul and tow. There's no compromises.
Reinventing the F-150 manufacturing process pushed Ford engineers to new pinnacles of innovation.
The most efficient assembly, stamping, and recycling we've ever done at Ford. And that precision in stamping allows us to dial in a more precise body.
The payoff is a truck that's incredibly rigid, lighter, and stronger than ever before possible.
When you build it right, it benefits the customer for all the years that they own the vehicle.